Welcome to Devolutions Cloud. You're probably seeing this video because you've recently created an account or been invited to join one with your team. In about 3 minutes, you'll know where everything lives, how to add your first credential, and how it connects to the rest of the Devolutions platform. Accessing your Devolutions Cloud is easy and can be done from any web browser, or from Devolutions Remote Desktop Manager, or our Devolutions Password Manager apps. All three methods let you get to your entries in the same way. Resources such as website passwords, server credentials, and remote sessions are organized into vaults. Now let's create a folder in this default vault to organize some of our entries. When you click a vault, folder, or entry, you'll see tabs with additional information. Documentation is for notes, attachments are for related files, and if you have access, you'll also see permissions, history, and logs. All this provides you with a better context for what you're looking at. If you look at the top right section, you'll find your personal account settings and display preferences for things like light and dark mode. Switching between them is easy. Now let's go back to the vault section. Here, you can either create or see additional vaults depending on your situation. I've just created this account, so I'm still on the free version, and my Devolutions Cloud is pretty empty. If you're a solo IT user, you'll be in the same situation. If you plan to share vaults in a team environment, you can do so in the licensing section. Here you can try it out free for 14 days, buy a package, or enter a previously purchased license. This will allow you to invite more team members and share resources with them. Now, here's an example of an admin with a Privileged Access Management package license. You'll notice that he has several vaults shared with his team and already has many entries in place. Back to our previous cloud. Under Vaults, you'll see the User Vault. If you're working with a team and you're used to storing passwords in Chrome or sharing them over Slack, this is the ideal place to store business-related personal credentials, such as website logins, assigned credentials, and more. Here, I'm adding a simple website entry, but in the next section, I'll also show you how to quickly import them from a CSV file. Let's head back to our licensed account. If you're the owner or admin, the administration menu is where you'll do most of your setup work, managing all of your vaults, creating users and inviting them to user groups, assigning them licenses and password policies, and also enabling authentication methods. This is where all your settings live. Under Reports, you've got various tools and logs to help you have a better pulse on who is accessing what entries from where. Everything is tracked for better visibility. Finally, in the Help and Tools section, we offer easy access to our companion tools and even a convenient way to import entries. Here, I'm simply importing a CSV from my KeePass credentials directly into my default vault. With just a few clicks, I can easily migrate from my previous password manager to my new Devolutions Cloud. That's the tour. Go ahead and add some more entries to your vaults. You'll see that working with Devolutions Cloud is simple, secure, and accessible anywhere. Be sure to check out our documentation, our videos, and our online community forum, where you can ask questions to our support staff, developers, and fellow users.